Welcome to Dubai Daily, your essential morning briefing on Dubai's dynamic real estate market. This podcast is brought to you by Parag Kundalwal, the founder and CEO of Consulta, a premier Dubai-based real estate consulting and global capital advisory firm. I'm your host, Mark, and this is episode 17. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the international buyers who are shaping the Dubai property landscape in 2025. Who are they? What's driving their decisions? And what opportunities does this create? Let's get right into it. First up, the undisputed leaders, Indian investors. They are, without a doubt, the dominant force, commanding an impressive 22% of the market share. This isn't a fleeting trend. It's a leadership position built on compelling, rock-solid fundamentals. The investment case is incredibly strong. Think about this. Rental yields in Dubai range from 6% to as high as 11%. Compare that to major Indian cities like Mumbai, and the difference is stark. Even luxury properties here are delivering 7% or more in annual returns. And then there's the tax advantage, which is a massive draw. We're talking zero property tax, zero capital gains tax, and zero income tax on your rental income. It's a powerful combination. Of course, accessibility is key. Dubai is just a 3 to 4 hour flight from most major Indian hubs. Plus, with a thriving Indian community of over 4.3 million in the UAE, there's an immediate sense of cultural familiarity that makes the transition seamless. And the Golden Visa truly sweetens the deal. A property investment of just AED 2 million or more qualifies an investor for a 10-year residency visa. This isn't just a visa, it's long-term stability for entire families. We're seeing Indian investment across the entire spectrum, from luxury buyers targeting Palm Jumeirah and downtown Dubai, to mid-income investors finding incredible value in emerging communities like Jumeirah Village Circle, Dubai South, and Arjan. Both ready and off-plan properties are seeing robust demand, with off-plan being particularly popular for its attractive payment plans and significant capital appreciation potential. Now, let's shift our focus to another major player, China. The surge in interest from Chinese buyers has been nothing short of dramatic. In the first quarter of 2025, we saw a 28% increase in activity compared to the same period last year. That is a massive acceleration. The numbers really do tell the story. Chinese and Hong Kong buyers poured $1.3 billion into the market in Q1 2025 alone, following a strong $1.5 billion in all of 2024. This represents a staggering 30-fold increase since 2022. Chinese investors now account for a solid 8% of total foreign investment in Dubai real estate. They're not just buying anything either. The average transaction value for high-end properties hit $1.12 million in Q1, reflecting a clear focus on premium assets. So, what's driving this surge? It's a mix of factors. The UAE's neutral geopolitical stance and robust legal framework offer a safe harbor for long-term investments. The tax-free environment is perfect for wealth preservation. And just like with Indian investors, the Golden Visa program is a huge draw, securing that coveted 10-year residency. High rental yields and Dubai's strategic role as a global business and tourism hub only enhance its appeal. With the government's Dubai Real Estate Strategy 2033 aiming to significantly boost the market, the future looks very bright for continued investment from this region. Next, let's talk about European buyers. Interestingly, as a collective, they now represent the largest portion of Dubai's international market, accounting for 12% of property deals in early 2025. We're seeing particularly strong interest from the UK and Germany. For UK buyers, 2025 has presented a significant currency advantage. The British pound strengthened remarkably against the dirham, climbing from around AED 4.47 to a peak of AED 5.00 by July. This translates to very real savings. A Palm Jumeirah villa priced at £13.2 million at the start of the year would have cost roughly £12 million by summer, simply due to the favorable exchange rate. Combine that with Dubai's compelling tax benefits, especially when compared to the UK's high stamp duty, and the higher rental yields, and the case becomes undeniable. For many wealthy European families, Dubai is no longer just a vacation spot. It's becoming a primary home market, drawn by the luxury lifestyle, year-round sun, and world-class infrastructure. This leads us to a crucial point for all international investors: currency advantages in 2025. As we noted, the pound saw a significant climb. The euro also strengthened by about 10% against the dirham over the year. This increased purchasing power is a game-changer. It means investors with pounds and euros simply get more for their money, allowing them to access higher-grade properties without increasing their home currency budget. Let's circle back to the golden visa, because its appeal is a common thread across all nationalities. The data for 2025 shows a clear breakdown of who is leveraging this program the most. India leads at around 20 to 22%, followed by the UK at 17%, China at 14%, Russia at 9%, and, notably entering the top 5 this year, Saudi Arabia at 11%. The program's flexibility is key to its success. The AED 2 million investment can be spread across multiple properties. Off-plan properties are eligible once they are 50% complete and 50% paid. You can even qualify with a mortgaged property as long as you have AED 2 million in paid-up equity. This accessibility makes it a powerful tool for a diverse range of investors. But how do these international buyers finance their purchases? While options are plentiful, the terms are generally stricter than for UAE nationals. For non-residents, most banks will require a down payment of at least 20% for properties under AED 5 million and 30% for those above. In practice, many banks finance only 50 to 60% of the property's value for non-residents. Interest rates in 2025 remain competitive, starting as low as 3.49% per annum. You can find fixed-rate mortgages, variable rates, and even Sharia-compliant Islamic financing. And don't forget developer payment plans, like Danube's famous 1% monthly plan, which offer an alternative route to ownership with smaller initial down payments. So let's bring it all together for the key investor takeaway. International buyers are the lifeblood of Dubai's real estate market in 2025. Indian investors lead in volume, drawn by yields and tax benefits. Chinese buyers are surging, seeking stability and premium assets. And European buyers, particularly from the UK, are capitalizing on powerful currency advantages. The golden visa remains a cornerstone of the market's appeal, and financing, while requiring more equity upfront, is readily accessible. To maximize returns, investors should focus on high-yield areas like JVC. Keep an eye on emerging markets like Dubai South, and consider the enduring value of luxury segments in Palm Jumeirah and downtown Dubai. By leveraging the unique combination of currency advantages, a tax-free environment, and flexible financing, the opportunities in Dubai are truly exceptional. That's all for this episode of Dubai Daily. For expert guidance on navigating this market, you can contact Parag Kundalwal at Consulta. Just search for Parag Kundalwal on LinkedIn. Visit the website at consultadxb.com. That's consultadxb.com. Or email him directly at parag@consultadxb.com. You can also reach him by phone at +971 58 596 4601. Dubai Daily is here for you every Monday to Friday. Thanks for tuning in.